Hello guys, in today's video I bring to you this latest trending for my beautiful bride in the house, those that are preparing for their traditional marriage, for their wedding. This video is for you guys, or for that beautiful occasion that you want to attend to, looking so sumptuous and so beautiful. This video is for you guys. In today's video I'll be showcasing this amazing bride hairstyles that will fit you perfectly well for all any occasions that you want to attend to. If you want to do your traditional marriage, your wedding, if you want to attend to any big event occasion, this video is for you. You find it very useful because all the style here is top notch, guys. Look at this weave on. It's giving what it's supposed to give. It's giving 10 over 10 minus nothing. Am I saying 10 over 10? 100 over 1000. This weave on style is beautiful. I love it, guys, both the color of the weave on and everything. So stay tuned and enjoy this video to the end. Tell me the one you're going to style on your wedding day, the one you're going to slay on that occasion that you want to attend to, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share for more, guys. If you are seeing on my channel you love it, please don't forget to turn on your notification bell. That is the only way to get notified anytime we post a new video on my channel. Our YouTube channel is all about fashion styles, hairstyles and nail design ideas for my beautiful queens in the house. We also post for men. So if you're a guy and you're on my channel, you are not going to be left out. I will be posting for you guys your kind of style, your kind of amazing fashion styles. Also, shout out to all my subscribers, all my returning subscribers. Please guys, do well to be watching my video to the end and comment the one you're going to try on. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy watching this video.